behind the line. We're starting in 3, 2, 1, go.
Entering our autonomous period, we see 25-39 scoring at Cone High. Same with 272. As 272 climbs, gets mobility, goes over the charge station. On our Red Alliance, we have Cone and a Cube High, with 103 balancing that charge station. Into our teleoperated period, 25-39 grabs a top of Cube and scores it. 12-18 making their way across the field to get a game piece from the human player station. Team 272 scoring that Cone High while they're working on it. Same with 14-3. All of the Blue Alliance robots are working to score effectively. On the Red Alliance side, Team 12-18 has a cube and is ready to score. Team 272 getting the cone off the ground and entering their community. 834 makes their way across the field with blazing speed. Over on the Blue Alliance, Team 1403, getting ready to collect a cone, and they do it. Making their way across the field in record time. They score the cone in. On the Red Alliance, Team 1218 and Team 834 getting game pieces from the human player station. Both of them have cubes that are looking to score in their respective areas. That whistle blows and we are now in endgame. The teams will be working to both score their last few pieces and balance the charge station. On the Red Alliance, Team 1218 is working to balance along with 834. And on the Blue Alliance, 25-39 scores their last pieces, while 272 and 1403 are balanced and engaged on the charge station.